Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, in today's video, we will be learning how to trade and earn profit on a daily basis. So, I have some techniques with which you will be able to make $100 to $200 on a daily basis. So, what are you waiting for? Without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do is open this website known as CoinMarketCap, and here you can see multiple cryptocurrencies. So this is the first thing that you have to do on the day whenever you start trading. This is the most important step out of all. So here you can see multiple cryptocurrencies along with how they are performing on a daily basis, hourly basis, or 7-day basis. You can get all the details on the website of a specific cryptocurrency, like market cap, volume, circulating supply, and how they are performing in the last 7 days. So what you have to do is click on a 7-day filter, and you will see how some cryptocurrency or some coin have performed. If it's like on clicking on it once, you will see high performing coins, and on clicking it again, it'll sort it down to the performing coin. So after seeing these coins, let's say we have Mina over here, and then we will head to our trading view chart and we will search Mina USDT. So here what is needed is you have to add two indicators. One is Bollinger Band and the other one is RSI. So whenever the price touches the upper band, these are the upper band, these are the lower band of Bollinger Band, and this is the middle band. Whenever the price touches the upper band, what you have to do is short the shit of the coin. And whenever that coin is on the lower band, you have to long it on. And if it's lingering in the middle band, just leave that coin. Stay out of it because it can do some crazy movement on either side. So it's pretty easy whenever it's on the lower band. You just have to long it, and you can see it performs pretty well upon, like, on here we have seen, you can see that the price touched the lower band and it performed pretty well. Like, we can see move off around 174%. So yeah, like, still it's not on a single day, but even if we talk about it on a single day, it did perform pretty well. Like, a 10% move, a 10% move isn't a bad deal for a cryptocurrency. And in terms of profit, 10% is like, on $100 you are earning $10, and on 1,000 you are earning $100 in profit. So these are some tips according to the Bollinger Band, but I have asked you to add one more indicator, which was RSI. So if it's very simple with the Bollinger Band, why do we need RSI? The reason we need RSI is for confirmation. What kind of confirmation? Like, here we can see that it touched the upper band, but still it surpassed that. So we can see, for confirmation, on the RSI, when the RSI is overbought in the upper band, like more than 70, that means that the coin will surely come down, and vice versa. If it's in the oversold region, like 20 something, it is going to pound pretty hard. And same with the case, leave it when it's in the middle. So middle is a pretty confusing state, and you should stay out of a coin when it's in the middle range. Second website we have Crypto Bubbles, where you can look at and analyze charts like on a daily, hourly, daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly basis. On hourly, we can see Solana is 2.4% up, Near is also 2.1% up, and ING 1.8% up, Gala 1.4% down. Then we can see on daily basis we have Solana, which performed pretty well, like 12%, near 12.2%, Neo 9.1%, RLB 12.6%, and on weekly they performed crazy well in this week. This was a pretty good week for cryptocurrencies. Like Rune performed 35%, near 26%, Sol 20%, and monthly they're like huge. EHEX was 153% up this month. Yearly, mostly every coin is like on a pretty good state. Like OKB is like OK's coin, and OK's is an exchange, and it's one of my favorite exchange, and I use it pretty often. So what you have to do is like search coins from here. Like if we go on a daily basis, if Solana is like 12.2% up, we will go and search Solana over here and see whether to short it or not. Yes, it's touching its upper band right here, and the RSI is also in the overbought region. What we can do is we can short it from here till here. It will be a 1 is to 3 hour trade, and we will see whether we have another resistance as well. So we have a resistance now at 48.20, and we can see it coming back down to 21. It will take a pretty long while though, but what you can do is go into 4 hour time frame, and or you can do is go on a 1 hour time frame and short it down to this region, and it will still be a good trade. It will be a 1 is to 2 hour trade. So these are the things with which I select my coins to trade, and I take trades according to these indication I have told you by putting these indicators. So I guess it's a pretty good thing. And first of all, do these of with demo accounts, and once you're comfortable and you are sure that you can perform or you can do pretty well with these coins and these strategies, and you have like a hands-on grip on these strategies, so you're good to go, then only try that with your real money. Because once you are comfortable, like these strategies have like slightly technicalities which you will be able to hone up once you are like a pro. So you first really need to do trading with your demo account and demo money, and once you're comfortable, go easy market. For such type of videos, don't forget to subscribe and like, and don't forget to ring the bell icon button so that you don't miss such videos. Thanks for watching.